Hello beautiful people, if you're new here, my name is Tatiana, and in today's video we will be talking about modeling and having the tattoos, braces, piercing, scars, freckles and everything like that. Is it possible to become a model if you have one of those things? What are your chances? What are the pros and cons and everything? So I got many DMs, many messages from people asking me if they can become a model with the tattoos or the braces, and I've decided to film this video and talk about each of these cases in details. And we will start talking about the tattoos first, because it's a really common question. Well, it is not impossible to work as a model if you have tattoos, but it's better not to have any, because it's really hard to hide them, and it's always easier to paint a tattoo or use a temporary tattoo if needed for a certain project. So yeah, better not to have any tattoos. What to do if you already have some? Well, the industry has been changing, and these days many clients are looking for alternative looking models, so there's a chance that you'll find your client, that you'll find your niche. And if you really want to have a tattoo, to have a new tattoo, I suggest you to choose a really small one and put it in the place where you can hide it. For example, on the back of your neck, and you can hide it with your hair or something like that. And if talking about the successful models, I'm sure you've seen tattoos on their bodies. It's a whole different situation. When you are a top model, it's another case scenario. I hope you understand that. One more thing I would like to mention. If talking about male models, it's more common to have tattoos, and it's more okay for a guy to have a tattoo, and he will probably have still a successful career, no matter if he has tattoos or not. Can you work as a model if you have braces? There are different types of braces. There are the ones that are located in the inner part of your teeth. They're called lingual braces. In this case, you can work as a model because these braces aren't seen at all. And if you have braces that are noticeable, well, it's hard situation, to tell the truth, but still you will be able to work in some fashion markets in some Asian countries, for example. If you don't know about the fashion markets, I have another video about it, you can check it out. Modeling and the scars. Well, each case is different, and everything depends on the size of the scar and how noticeable it is. And if you have any scars that are small, then it probably will be okay. But if you have some big scars, then I suggest you to contact a doctor and try to do something to make it less seen, or maybe heal it if it's possible, and then try working as a model. And I just wanted to say, when I'm talking about modeling, I'm talking about it in general. Of course, there are exceptions, each case is different, but industry standards are quite strict, and yeah, that's why you need to pay attention to every detail and to think objectively whether you have many chances to work successfully or not. Can you work as a model if you have freckles, birthmarks, or vitiligo, or anything like that? Well, yes, you can, because everyone loves unique beauty, and if you have freckles or if you have beautiful, interesting type of skin color or anything, you can work as a model and it will be your bonus, it will be your advantage. So please don't hesitate and try modeling. Modeling and piercing. Can you work as fashion model if you have any piercing? Well, of course you can. Many models have piercing and you can take it off anytime and it's absolutely okay. Another story is if you have something like the tonal piercing or something extreme. This is a different thing and it might be a problem. So I don't recommend you doing something extreme with your body if you're thinking about modeling as your career. So that's it for today, guys, and if you have any questions and video suggestions, please let me know and I will see you in my next videos.